Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how do you log in into your Facebook account without email and cell phone number. So in order to do this, just you have to open your profile. You can also search your profile from Google or you can open it from your friend ID. After that, when you open your profile, in the next step you have to copy this username code. So if you don't have create any username here, simply you will find the ID number here. So simply just copy the ID number or your username here. After that, what you need to do, just you have to go to your Facebook login page. So after that, when you move to login page, simply what you need to do, just you have to type your username here, or if you have your ID code, simply paste it here. Now I have entered my username and after that password. Now next step, click on login button. So finally you have seen that we have successfully logged in into our Facebook account without email and phone number. So in this way you can do it.